Imagine hosting a summer barbecue, your guests laughing under the sun, drinks in hand, but the ice tray is empty and the fridge can't keep up. Frustrating, right? This free Village Countertop Ice Maker solves this problem with lightning-fast ice production, delivering 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in as little as 6 minutes and up to 26.5 pounds daily. Whether you're chilling cocktails, crafting iced lattes, or keeping seafood fresh, this compact, self-cleaning, portable ice maker is a game-changer for homes, offices, or parties. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why this ice maker is a must-have, diving into its features, benefits, and real-world performance to help you decide if it's the perfect fit for your cooling needs. Why you need a countertop ice maker. Traditional ice trays take hours to freeze, and even high-end refrigerators struggle to produce enough ice for gatherings. The free Village Countertop Ice Maker eliminates these pain points with speed, convenience, and versatility. Designed for home kitchens, offices, RVs, or parties, it's a compact powerhouse that ensures you're never left without ice. Its sleek design, user-friendly controls, and whisper-quiet operation make it a practical addition to any space. Let's break down what makes this portable ice maker stand out and why it's trending in 2025 for those seeking convenience and quality. Solving common ice-making problems. Slow ice production. Waiting hours for ice trays to freeze is a hassle. This ice maker produces 9 cubes in 6 to 12 minutes, keeping your drinks chilled without delay. Messy maintenance. Cleaning traditional ice makers is tedious. The self-cleaning function simplifies upkeep, ensuring hygienic ice every time. Bulky appliances. Many ice makers are heavy and space-hogging. At just 14.74 pounds and 8.7 by 11.6 by 11.4 inches, this model is portable and fits any countertop. Noisy operation. Loud appliances disrupt your peace. Operating at under 45 dB, this ice maker is quieter than a conversation, perfect for home or office use. Limited ice supply. Running out of ice during parties is embarrassing. With a 26.5 pounds daily capacity, it keeps up with even the liveliest gatherings. Key features of the free Village Countertop Ice Maker. The free Village Ice Maker is packed with features that combine efficiency, convenience, and style. Here's a detailed look at what you get. Lightning-fast ice production. Equipped with a high-quality compressor, this machine churns out 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in 6 to 12 minutes, producing up to 26.5 pounds of ice in 24 hours. Whether you're hosting a party or cooling drinks at home, you'll never run short. Bullet-shaped ice cubes. The unique bullet shape prevents cubes from sticking together, making them ideal for iced coffee, cocktails, or even chewing for a refreshing sensation. They're smooth, safe, and versatile for any drink or dish. Smart and simple operation. The user-friendly control panel requires no tech skills. Fill the water tank, press the on-off button, and let the machine do the rest. Indicator lights alert you when water is low or the ice basket is full, ensuring hassle-free operation. Self-cleaning function. Say goodbye to scrubbing. By holding the on-off button for 5 seconds, the self-cleaning mode activates, keeping the interior spotless and your ice fresh and safe. Whisper quiet performance. At less than 45 dB, this ice maker runs quieter than most household appliances, so it won't interrupt your conversations, work, or sleep. Compact and portable design, measuring 8.7 by 11.6 by 11.4 inches and weighing just 14.74 pounds. This ice maker is easy to move with its sturdy handle, making it perfect for kitchens, offices, camping, RVs, or parties. Transparent lid. The see-through lid lets you monitor the ice-making process, adding a fun, interactive element while ensuring you know exactly when your ice is ready. Complete accessories. Comes with an ice scoop and basket, so you're ready to serve ice right out of the box. Benefits that make a difference. The free Village Countertop Ice Maker isn't just about making ice. It's about enhancing your lifestyle. Here are the top benefits. Time-saving convenience. With ice ready in as little as 6 minutes, you'll spend less time preparing and more time enjoying your drinks or hosting guests. It's a lifesaver for busy households or spontaneous gatherings. Versatile for any setting. Whether you're at home, in an office, camping, or hosting a party, this portable ice maker adapts to your needs, delivering consistent performance wherever you go. hygienic, and low maintenance. The self-cleaning function ensures clean, safe ice without the hassle of manual cleaning, giving you peace of mind and more free time. Who is this ice maker perfect for? This ice maker is designed for anyone who values convenience, quality, and versatility. It's ideal for homeowners, perfect for kitchens, home bars, or outdoor patios, ensuring you always have ice for family dinners, movie nights, or BBQs. Office workers, keep the break room stocked with ice for refreshing drinks during long workdays or team meetings. Party hosts, never run out of ice during birthdays, weddings, or summer gatherings, keeping guests happy and drinks cold. Campers and RV enthusiasts, its portable design and lightweight build make it a must-have for road trips, camping, or RV adventures. Small business owners, great for cafes, bars, or food trucks needing a reliable, compact ice source for customers. Real-world performance. What to expect? After testing the free Village Countertop Ice Maker, it's clear why it's a top choice in 2025. Setting it up is a breeze. Just plug it in, fill the 0.58-gallon water tank, and press start. Within 6 minutes, the first batch of bullet-shaped ice cubes drops into the basket, ready to chill your drinks. The ice is crystal clear, smooth, and perfect for everything from sodas to smoothies. The machine runs quietly, barely noticeable even in a small apartment, and the transparent lid adds a fun touch, letting you watch the magic happen. The self-cleaning feature is a standout. After a quick 5-second press, the machine handles all the maintenance, saving you time and effort. Its compact size fits neatly on any countertop, and the sturdy handle makes it easy to carry to a friend's house or an outdoor event. At 26.5 pounds daily, it kept up with a weekend party of 10 guests without breaking a sweat, producing enough ice for cocktails, mocktails, and even a cooler for fresh seafood. Compared to traditional ice trays, 3 to 4 hours to freeze, or even fridge ice makers, often slow and limited, this machine is a revelation. It's not just about speed, it's about reliability and ease. The only minor drawback is the basket's capacity, which fills up after about 1.5 pounds of ice, requiring periodic emptying during heavy use. However, the indicator light ensures you're never caught off guard. Why choose Free Village over competitors? The market is flooded with ice makers, but the free Village Countertop Ice Maker stands out for its balance of performance, portability, and price. Unlike bulkier models, its compact design fits small spaces without sacrificing output. The self-cleaning function is a rare feature in budget-friendly models, and the quiet operation sets it apart from noisier competitors. While some high-end models offer Wi-Fi controls or larger capacities, they often cost twice as much and are less portable. For most households, offices, or small businesses, this ice maker delivers everything you need at a fraction of the cost. Final thoughts. Is it worth it? The free Village Countertop Ice Maker is more than an appliance. It's a lifestyle upgrade. Its lightning-fast 6-minute ice production, self-cleaning ease, and portable design make it a versatile solution for anyone who loves cold drinks, hosts gatherings, or needs reliable ice on the go. Whether you're a busy parent, a party planner, or an outdoor adventurer, this ice maker delivers convenience, quality, and value. Don't let slow ice trays or limited fridge ice hold you back. Upgrade your cooling game today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.